In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can move your data within the same sheet without breaking it here in Google Sheets. So in this example, I do have a small data set, but if you have a bigger one, it's no problem. You can do the same thing. So to move this without breaking it, especially because I do have formulas right here, and there are some cell references, what I'm going to do first is to select the entire data like so. Now there's so many ways on how you can select your data. You can either press on Ctrl-A on your keyboard. There you go. Or you can also just select it with your mouse. There you have it. Now to move your data, we do need the mouse right here. So once you've selected your data, what you're going to do is to go to the top right here. Don't click yet. You're just going to hover over your data at the edges until you see your cursor change into this hand right here. Now this hand will allow you to grab the entire data, not leave anything, and be able to move it to wherever you want within your spreadsheet. So when I click on it, there you go. You have those broken lines, which outlines the entire data that is selected. And we can now move it to wherever we want to within the same sheet. So now if let's say put it right here, I'm still holding on to that left click. If I release, there you have it. Our whole data is intact, also with our formula. So with moving that data, it also has moved our cell references within that formula. So whenever we move our data with the same method, it will not break our data, especially if we do have some formulas. Again, if I select and drag it to another area, there you go. Our formulas stay intact. That's how quickly you can move your data without breaking it within the same spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. But if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.